Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to talk about enumerations in C#. So what is the enumeration? Enumeration could be considered as a set of integer constants represented by the text. So whenever we have something that is going to be constant in our application and we're pretty much sure that it won't change over the lifetime of the application, we should consider creating an enumeration for that. So a good example would be days in a week. So we are pretty much sure that it won't change over the time because we will always have 7 days in a week. So we should create an enumeration for that. How we can do that? Let's quickly create a class called days. And we need to change this to public. And let's change this to enum. So we created an enumeration called days. We need to specify all the values from that enumeration. So let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we have Saturday and Sunday. So we created enumeration with all of these values. So as you can see, this is representing integer value of 0. Second one is 1. Third one is 2, and so on. So it's starting with 0. So if I go to the program, we can quickly define a variable of type days. Day is equal to days.friday. So what we can do with that, we can apply any kind of flow control such as if day is equal to days.friday and so on. But let's quickly print out the values of the enumeration. So we are expecting to see Friday as a result of this output. Let's quickly check that. So we got Friday. So how we can get integer of it? So we can say something like this. We need to explicitly cast this enumeration into integer by saying something like this. Integer day, and we are expecting to see now 4 as a result. So let's quickly confirm that, and as you can see, we got a 4. So I guess that will be pretty much it for this tutorial. We introduced the enumerations. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.